Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I want to share with you some things I created with some dies from Erica. Erica is Scrap Diva 29 here on the YT and also on Instagram. This is her information. If you like the dies that I am showing you today, you can stop by her online store, which is Scrap Diva Designs. There you will see these dies as well as others that you can pick up to play with. So today I want to share with you what I created with the tag die here. Absolutely love this one. And this is what it looks like when you cut it out. You can see the scallop at the bottom and the stitching all around. And I also took out this one. This is a stamp and die set. I only used the die for this one. And this is what that looks like when you cut it out. So let's get into it. These are the men that I created. So stinking cute. These flowers were in my stash. I did those a while back. And these little embellishments, I want to say that I purchased from Dollar Tree. So stinking cute how they turned out. And this is a baking thing. Look how adorable that is. And I also created a tag to go along with that. Put that bow on the top or ribbon that I used to tie in a bow. So stinking cute. And then this is July, and a lot of crafters have started their Christmas in July projects. So I wanted to do something along those lines as well. This is the tag. So adorable. Again, the embellishments were in my stash, and I want to say that I purchased these embellishments from Hobby Lobby. You can see that stitching around it. And these are the embellishments that I created for Christmas in July with that men die. Look at how stinking adorable this is. Putting these little gingerbreads on here. And these I also purchased from Hobby Lobby as well. So stinking cute. And of course, I had to make a full-blown tag flip. Let me show you this. So stinking cute. I absolutely love it. This bow here was gifted to me by Denise, and Denise is Solo Crafts here on the YT and also on Instagram. And I used embellishments from my stash. And if you look here, you see these flowers, which are also by Scrap Diva Designs. So let's go through the flip book. Here on the top, you see I have a little charm here. Let me see if I can get it all together. Oh my goodness, here we go. I have a little charm dangle here with this little tassel. This bow, so pretty. And then I have this ribbon that I just tied on top of the ring So this is my first tag. Look at how stinking cute that is. So adorable. And I also put paper on the back. This is my second tag. And the pieces that I used to decorate the tag with are from Hobby Lobby as well. So stinking cute. Look at that. I love how these flowers are popping on this tag. One of those Hobby Lobby girls there. Just adorable. And then this is the smallest tag in the bunch. This is my next tag. So cute. Love it. And my next one. These Hobby Lobby girls are so stinking cute. A die that was in my stash. Turn on over to that next flip. Girls just want to have fun. So cute. And this next one here says hi with the little cat here. Another one of those Hobby Lobby girls. I love how this flip tag turned out. And this, oh, I have one more. Look at those glasses or those shades. So stinking cute. And then my last one is right here. And also, these are her jimmies here. I forgot about those. This is new in her shop as well. So make sure you go by and show her some crafty love. I know that there is something there that you will like, and you're going to have a lot of fun creating with her dies. So that is what I have to share with you today. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. You know that I definitely appreciate it. Thank you guys, and have a great crafty day. Until the next video, bye-bye.